In this question, we want to know about the potential uses for an iron ring. And an iron ring is usually attached to a ring stand. So you can tighten the clamp and it can be supported on that ring stand. All right, let's think about some of the things we can do with it after that point. We can use it to support a funnel. So we could place a funnel in here and it would support the funnel so that we can use the funnel for filtration. So support a funnel is going to be one of the uses. Of course, you need to make sure the funnel is larger than the ring so it doesn't fall all the way through. Okay, the next one, holding a buret during a titration. That is not true because a buret